Namaste, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make mushroom chicken risotto. I'm using cauliflower rice for this. Please make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to see more of my cooking videos. Now let me introduce the ingredients for this recipe. 0.6 pound of chicken breast, 13 ounces of cauliflower finely chopped, 1 red onion chopped, 1 trumpet mushroom sliced, 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of chopped spinach, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 clove of garlic minced, half of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of parsley chopped. Season with salt and pepper. Set aside. Heat a large pan. Add oil and butter or ghee. Once the pan is heated, add chicken for 4 to 6 minutes on both sides. Cook it in a medium-high heat. Once it is golden brown on both sides, transfer it to the separate plate with the paper towel. And let it cool off. In the same pan, add onion, and fry it until it is soft, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add garlic and fry it for 1 minute. Add cauliflower and fry it until 5 to 7 minutes until it is crispy and tender. In the meanwhile, let's start slicing chicken. Add spinach, mushroom, cheese, half of parsley, give it a mix. Squeeze the lemon. Add back the chicken into the pan. And cook it for 3 to 5 minutes until the chicken is warm. Lastly, garnish with remaining parsley, and if you need more salt you can add more salt and pepper, and then it is ready to be served. Enjoy!